What's up, Saber folks? I'm here with another ASP Saberforge ASP unboxing, unpackaging, because it's not a box. Basically, it's a Commando. I basically ordered all the ASP Commando pieces. It got here pretty quick. I think it got here in like 2-3-ish months, something like that. Yeah, so could be worse, could be better, but for Saberforge, from what I hear, that's pretty good, I think. So I ordered it, I think, in October, mid-October, and I'm getting it well before Christmas. So that's something to be positive about. I'm gonna go ahead and open this guy. I pre-opened the first package because it's not always fun to watch people do that. There we go. I got it in standard finish. Because I thought I was going to weather it myself, and I don't know. I might still do that. Oh, come on, brain. Open. Where'd your guys going through though? Okay, rip. I need grip strength. There we go. Okay, cool. Didn't want to, but I did. Okay, here's your emitter. And here's your, I think it's a switch section. Cool. Switch section, I think, is the most boring thing, so I can just slide it out probably. Emerge. Emerge, do what I say. It's pretty clean, man. This looks beautiful. Nice. Here's your switch section. It's pretty standard and pretty straightforward. Very standard finish. Yeah. Let's put that guy there. I'll go with the pommel. Oh, the pommel's cool. Its body, I guess, is the second least cool one. Oh, nice and easy. No super obvious scratches, and I'm like, oh god, so that's good. There's a little bit of a smudge there, but that's nothing really. Yeah. It doesn't look like much when you're just... See, they're changing... I wonder if it's an ASP thing, or they're just changing all of their cover text now to be this weird decagonal shape. Hopefully, I think it still works in the clip. Let me just make sure of that right now. Boop. Does it work in the... Beep. It does. So these work anyway. Maybe it's even a little more secure than the circle one, so I don't know. I think that's... Whether you want it or not, it's up to you. Yeah, so we got that one, Tink. Let's do pommel. Now the pommel I ordered weather because I already have a standard normal pommel. And I hadn't decided if I was gonna weather the other one or not. I think I want to weather both of them, and I wanted them to be like pretty dark. I think my issue was just like, yeah, the weathering wasn't super consistent on one of them. And like once they weather, it's like I guess you could do it as well, but it's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, it's like a little more standard than I would have thought it would be, but it's still fine. It kind of looks pretty standard, actually. Whoopsies. Care so much about my products. Of course. Like that, like, shiny, cool. Boom, 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 garbage. And the coolest part is always, in my opinion, the emitter section. Push it out the top. Yes. Okay. Emerge, emitter. Emit yourself. Oh, cool. Nice. Cool little emitter with windows. Sweet. See that like profile there. I mean, obviously it's gonna be rounder than like you'd want it to be like, oh cool, I want it to be like sideways, but that's just they're gonna make the shape of the circle, like the round thing, and then they're gonna machine all this around it. It still has that shape though. Let me just go ahead and just thread these guys. I didn't get the timing shims because I was like, oh, I'll probably be lucky. I'll be one of those lucky people that doesn't need the timing. I think it's supposed to go like this. No, okay. I guess it doesn't. Because these aren't really supposed to line up. Whatever. Didn't think about that either. Yeah, it's all off by like a tiny bit. Not a tiny bit, but not ideal. Boom, 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 and here's their weathered. Yeah, dude, you need the timing. Okay, so note to self and everyone else, you need timing shims. It's not really going to work too well without the timing shims. This I got, I think, if you just get this stuff, it's just like $112-ish. I think you pay extra for the weathering on this. No, you don't. It's like $112, I think, for this empty pipe piece, which is cheaper than like getting a stun or getting I think empty is $150. So I saved like $50 or something, and then there was like the 15% discount or something. So yeah. So there's your Saberforge Commando. Definitely not. It doesn't feel as like narrowy as I had hoped it would, which makes sense. It's not going to be like the Kaiden Saber's katana, which, in retrospect, maybe I just should have invested in that because that's kind of what I'm looking for. But that doesn't mean that this isn't a cool saber. It doesn't mean that this isn't working the way it's supposed to. Yeah. So yeah, pretty cool. Saberforge Commando. I think it'll look cooler when I weather it, frankly. But yeah. Thanks for watching, and with that said, I will see you guys next time.